YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're reviewing the Sunglife 150 watt power inverter, 12 volts to 120. I wanted to update my power inverter, which I like to keep in my car just for emergencies. I found the Sunglife one because it has quick charge 3.0 on that USB 2.4 and 2.4, and then it has two regular AC outs. So it fits and updates my other power inverter. This power inverter is rated for 150 watts continuous or 300 as a power surge. So it's not the most powerful one, but it's good enough for me. One feature that I do like better than my old one is that even though you have to use the 12 volt power adapter slot, it has the 12 volt adapter right on it, so you can still plug in stuff. In my car I have a dash cam, which I leave hooked to the 12 volt right here. And it actually is in a charger because that's what I use to charge my phone while I drive. And then we have the 12 volt for this. So if you use this, yeah, it has one USB, but it's not going to be fast. My other charger was 2.4 amps, so that's great. But we're going to replace all of this and have this plug in to the new inverter. So that way we have 3 USB outs and 2 AC adapters to go. And I'll probably just hang it by the side here. Basically plug it in there. And this 12 volt adapter slot does not work unless you have the car key in the ignition and the car switched on. Not started, just on. The dash cam's on, everything's plugged into the Sunglife 150 watt power adapter. So I have the dash cam and the 12 volt outlet there. Has an on and off switch. And I have my business laptop over there, what I use for work, and we're gonna plug it right into the Sunglife 150 watt power adapter. Have everything working and show you that you can use it that way through the AC slots. The computer plugged in, I'm gonna turn it on. And we're gonna see if it blows any fuses or anything, but it shouldn't, because again, this is a work laptop. I wouldn't go using this on like a video gaming laptop or anything like that, but you can see that it's red. So it's saying, hey, it's sucking down a lot of power. So you will need the car on, because when it's red, it means it's not getting enough power. When I turn the car on, it worked fine, and it has the laptop, if you could see, powered on, but also showing you that right there it's plugged in according to that icon right there. So it does work. You will have to leave the car running, which isn't a terrible thing if you have to quickly get on your laptop if you're in business and you're gotta get to something, you pull to the side of the road. So it does work that way. The other thing I would use this for is camping. I have a car refrigerator type thing that you can plug in here. It takes DC, so it's great to see that it has a DC out right there, so I don't have to get the AC to DC adapter. We're gonna try charging it with a phone next. I'm gonna go for this quick charge. I have a Pixel 4 XL phone. It usually doesn't work with quick charge. It usually charges faster with quick charge, but it doesn't go like, oh, rapid charging on it. So we're gonna try that next. All right, this time I just have the key in the ignition, and it seems like it has enough power to do USB. So let's check that out. It must only need you to turn on the car when you have heavy draining devices. And seeing that's 150 watts, that's not much, but we're gonna plug this into my Pixel 4. Good news is that with the key off, it will use any USB ports there, which is pretty cool to see. The key's in the ignition still, but you don't have to start the car. And it's at 36% right now. As far as the USB ports and using them while charging and driving, I was down to 35% and now I'm to 39%. So it definitely works while driving, even when using a high drain app on your phone. So that's why I'm going to go with this to replace my old socket, which served me well. You know, it's just old. One of the 2.4 amps don't work. And this way we have AC out adapters, so if we're ever on road trips or we're camping, we can use different things. Again, it's not the most powerful one, so that'd be like the con, but really you buy that with that in mind if you're buying a 150 watt power inverter. The quick charge did not work for my phone, but my phone never really ever supported quick charge. 2.4 amps work just fine, so I'm gonna take it like that probably would work right if your phone supported quick charge 3.0. So overall, the 150 watt Sunglife power inverter is actually pretty good and a good replacement for older adapters, especially if they don't work anymore on one side and it's getting all corroded in there. So really like that it has the 12 volt out for my dash cam, which is up there, so I can leave that plugged in at all times. I'm gonna leave this, it's just the hardest thing I'm gonna do is find a place to mount this, and I'll probably use some mounting strips that have Velcro type things, hook and loop if you will, and probably put it somewhere on the side here. but everything reaches to where I need it to reach, and the Power Inverter does great. If you'd like to purchase your Sunglife 150 watt Power Inverter, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every single purchase will support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.